Hello and welcome to this video where we teach you about the project No Se Alarme, explained for the squad Los Pibes Repiolas. The team is confirmed for Garzón Lucas, Soriano Cristian and Casas Matias. This project is a circuit alarm which is beneficial for the security home and the family. Can be installed in anywhere in your home. This circuit is very small and very easy to use.
Button and some of the circuit use a 9-volt battery as power source and use electronics component, transistor, resistor, cable, buzzer, switch, button, and some of them.
Now we will show you the use of alarm and how work. First, this circuit work with an OSHEP output the switch to stop the current flow. When we take the OSHEP, the switch make contact and the current pass activate the circuit. When the circuit is activated, the buzzer is sound. We can turn off the circuit by pressing the button and pressing again to activate.